Tonight, Nepal glows. From the high Himalaya to the Terai Plains, Tihar lights up windows, courtyards, and hearts. 5 luminous days honoring life, gratitude, and the ties that hold families together. I start at dawn with the messengers of beginnings, crows. Kag Tihar asks me to respect every whisper of news and omen, to offer grains to the watchers on the wire. Then, the loyal guardians, dogs. Kukur Tihar crowns them with marigolds, Tika, thanking friendship that never asks for anything but love. Day 3 welcomes the gentle giver, the cow. Gai Tihar reminds me of nourishment, patience, and as evening falls, Lakshmi Puja turns homes into constellations. I place rows of diyos along doorways, trace a rangoli at the threshold, and invite prosperity with light that refuses to flicker out. Across lanes, the chorus rises. Deusi-Bhailo carries stories from yard to yard. Rhythms on madal, claps in sync, blessings traded for sweets and smiles. It's not just a song, it's a handshake between generations. In the Newar community, Mahapuja honors the self, body, breath, and spirit, so each person steps renewed into the year. In many homes, Govardhan Puja shapes sacred hills of cow dung and earth, reminding me that even the ground beneath us deserves reverence. And then, the most tender moment, Bhai Tika. Sisters place a 7-colored tika upon their brothers' foreheads, offering prayers for long life. Brothers promise protection, respect, and presence. Gifts pass hands, but it's the promises that matter. Tihar is unity in diversity, Hindu, Buddhist, and the many threads of Nepalese identity woven into one luminous fabric. Light is the language we share. Diyos on the sill, rangolis at the door, laughter in the street, each a small star, together a galaxy. As the night deepens, I listen to the last Deusi verse fade down the alley. In this festival of lights, faith, and family, Nepal doesn't just decorate homes, it illuminates the way we belong to one another. Happy Tihar.